Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy TechnoTrend, and today I'm going to be repping Palisades Charter High School Band. You guys already know the homies out there. If you like to donate to them, let me know. I'll be sure to give them all the proceeds that go to them 100%. Small shout out if you guys do want to donate. Please let me know. Contact me, email me, you already know. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to screen record. This should not take very long. It's a simple setting that you guys have on iOS 11, and I'm going to help you unlock that setting really fast and really easy. If you guys have any questions about availability, merchandise coming soon, stickers, any of that, please be sure to text TechnoTrend from Twitter, Instagram, emails, any of that stuff, okay? So that's all in the description. If you guys want to see that, that's good. Alright guys, thank you guys for listening to these announcements. Let's get started with today's easy tutorial. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my iPhone cam. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your free little button to start screen recording. So as you guys can see, when you swipe up, your screen recording usually isn't there, but if it is, all it is a little circle, a little dot, and you just tap it and you'll be able to screen record. Now what I'm going to be showing you today is how to unlock that. So what you have to do is go straight to setting. And by the way, if you guys do want one of my wallpaper like this, it's in the description. I have a special wallpaper every day, hopefully. So what you guys want to do is go straight to Control Center, then go to Customize Controls. Then scroll down to you see screen recording. Here it is, tap add. Then you guys can see it's right there in your controls. So now that you can swipe up, and it should be right there, the little dot. All you have to do is tap it, and you will be able to screen record. It's very simple and very easy to use, guys. Very intuitive. That's what Apple's like. If you guys have any questions for me, leave them down in the comment section below. I will be answering them, as well as my assistant will be helping me to answer those comments. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy repping Paliband. If you guys wanted to donate to Paliband, be sure to let me know. Contact me, and I will accept those proceeds and give it straight to the Paliband. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. See you guys in the next one.